Welcome to this math guide. Today, we are going to master the order of operations. This is the set of rules that tells us which part of a math equation to solve first. Without these rules, everyone might get a different answer for the same problem. You might know this better by the acronyms PEMDAS or BODMAS. Depending on where you live, you might use a different name. In the US, it is commonly called PEMDAS. In the UK and Australia, it is often called BODMAS. But don't worry, they mean exactly the same thing. P stands for parentheses, which is the same as B for brackets. E stands for exponents, which is the same as O for orders. The rest are multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Let's start at the top. The very first thing you must always do is solve anything inside parentheses or brackets. These are the boss. In the example on the left, 5 times, open parenthesis, 4 plus 2, close parenthesis, we must add 4 and 2 first to get 6. Then multiply by 5 to get 30. If we ignored the parentheses like on the right, we would get a completely different and incorrect answer. Next on the list are exponents, also known as orders or indices. These include powers, like 3 squared, and roots, like the square root of 16. Once you have cleared all the parentheses, scan your equation for these little numbers and solve them next. Now we reach a very important rule. Multiplication and division are actually equal in rank. They are best friends. You do not just do multiplication before division. Instead, you must solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Think of reading a book. If you see division first on the left, do that first. The same rule applies to the final step, addition and subtraction. They are also equal in rank. You do not always add before you subtract. You simply solve them from left to right. If subtraction appears first, solve it first. This is the last step in any problem. Let's walk through an example. 10 plus 5 times, open parenthesis, 8 minus 4, close parenthesis. First, we do the parenthesis, 8 minus 4 is 4. Now we have 10 plus 5 times 4. Multiplication is stronger than addition, so we do 5 times 4 next, which is 20. Finally, 10 plus 20 gives us 30. Here is a classic trick question that stumps many people. 20 divided by 4 times 5. Many people want to multiply 4 times 5 first because M comes before D in the acronym. That is wrong. Remember the left to right rule. Division is on the left, so we do 20 divided by 4 first, which is 5. Then, 5 times 5 equals 25. The most common mistake happens with addition and subtraction. In the equation 10 minus 3 plus 2, people often see the plus sign and want to add 3 and 2 to get 5, then subtract that from 10. This gives 5, which is incorrect. You must go left to right. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. That is the correct answer. To summarize, think of it as a pyramid. At the very top, with the highest priority, are parentheses and brackets. Next are exponents and roots. Then come multiplication and division, solved left to right. And at the bottom base are addition and subtraction, also solved left to right. Follow this hierarchy, and you will always get the right answer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.